Hi everybody, this is Darren at Seek to Insure, and on today's episode of Frequently Asked Questions, I'm going to be talking about the importance of an honest declaration on your application. Now, for the majority of health insurance plans, you will be required to complete a medical declaration which asks a series of questions regarding your health. Now, the purpose of this episode is to hammer home the importance of making an honest declaration on that application. The reason being is that if you lie on the application form, or if you don't declare the information as requested by the insurance company, later down the line this really can come back and bite you. So first of all, when a large claim comes around, insurance companies check medical records. They will go to a series of hospitals where you're likely to have been and request your medical records, and they will have full visibility of what you've been to see a doctor about, what you've been diagnosed with. So if they go back through your medical records and they see that there are health issues which have not been declared on the application form, there are two potential issues. The first one is that the claim which you're making could be judged as pre-existing and they will decline that claim. Now, even worse than that is the insurer could look at your medical history and say that due to significant non-disclosure of material facts that they're going to null and void the policy, which is increasingly happening here in Thailand. They will return your premium and they will say that you were never insured, which they are fully within their rights to do under the requirements and regulations of the Office of the Insurance Commission here in Thailand. So the key takeaway from this short is that you need to be honest on your application form, declare as requested, and in that way you can make sure that later down the line you're not going to be having problems with claims.